the Scaffold Stair Tower, and how to build a step-by-step tutorial. Be sure to always review and reference the product instruction manual before assembly. Part 1. Assembling the base section. Step 1. Site preparation. First, determine the location for the setup. If the stair tower will be used outside on soft surfaces, mud sills are required. Step 2. Assembling the base section. First, set the leveling jacks, then add stair platform rests, then place open end frames and attach cross braces. Then level the base section and add catacorner scraying brace. After this, attach outriggers if they are needed. Be sure to check your city, state, and federal regulations before assembly for the tie-off and outrigger use. Step 3. Attaching the first stair section. Set the first stair section on the left and place the bottom in first and then the top. Then secure in place with lock nuts and bolts. Step 4. Attaching stair handrails. Attach outside handrail, which is the larger one, then attach inside handrail, and secure these in place with snap pins. Part 2. Assembling the middle section. To figure out the number of middle sections needed, subtract 13 feet from your desired tower height and then divide this by 6.5. When going 3 or 4 sections and higher, you will need to secure your tower to an existing permanent structure or a wall with scaffold tie brace every 3rd or 4th section. Be sure to check your city, state, and federal regulations before assembly. Step 1. Adding the next frame section. Place hinged walkboard directly over the first stair section to the left, opening up toward the outside against the cross braces. Secure into place with windlatches, then add next section of frames, secure in place with hinge pins, and double step frames will be used for the entire middle section, and attach cross braces. Step 2. Adding the next stair section. Place stair section on the opposite side and secure in place. Add handrails and secure those in place as well. Move hinged walkboard up directly above the stair section and continue adding needed sections. Part 3. Assembling the top section. Step 1. Finishing surface. Place second walkboard besides hinged walkboard to create a solid working surface. Step 2. Adding guardrails. Add end panels, secure into place with hinge pins, then add side panels, and finally add toe boards and secure into place with hinge pins. Congratulations, you have completed a Scaffold Stair Tower by Bil-Jax.